everyone, it's me again, Chat. Do you love crafts? I do, and I especially love when you can make some extra money while being creative. If making things from scratch brings you happiness and DIY is your passion, have a go at starting your own craft business on the side, and who knows what this could bring. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my content-packed videos. I truly appreciate your help. Let's dive in. So what can we make that we can sell to make money fast? This is the kicker, right? When we branch out into these selling plans, we want and often need to see a return in our efforts quickly. Unless you have a stockpile of heavy labor items such as crochet, sewing, or other products that takes a little more time to produce, you'll want to concentrate on things that you can make in bulk fast. A general rule of thumb is to calculate how much it costs to create each item, including the cost of selling if you pay for a host site and incidentals like your business license, and mark your profit from there. Be sure to check competitors' prices, as you don't want to market yourself out. If you can't source and create for cheaper than the going rates, then find another craft to sell. After all, this is about making money, not spending it. So, what handmade items sell best online? Lucky for you, there's no shortage of items that fit the bill for attractive, fast, able to be made in bulk, and can get the fast turnaround that you need. The following are just a few examples of things that you can make and sell from home that are almost always a hit with people. Bath bombs. Bath bombs can be as simple or as complicated as you want to make them. With a few cheap ingredients, you can make a base to which you can add essential oils, botanicals, cosmetic glitter, and more. Don't forget the popularity of the Secret Surprise bath bombs and consider tucking a little treat into the center and be creative about what you hide inside. Once you have the molds, it's super easy to turn out dozens of bath bombs a day, and when you consider they resale for $5 and up each, it's an attractive business prospect. Number 2, pillows. People love pillows and cushions. In fact, season pillows are a thing. There are a lot of people who swap out their throw pillows to match the time of the year. So take a look into this one. Not only it's super simple to sew a pillow, but there's also an endless variety of fabrics and patterns to choose. You can easily develop a niche market for specialty throw pillows in no time. Number 3, jewelries. Start making your own handmade jewelry. DIY jewelry making at home is a fun, affordable hobby with a fashionable end result. What began as a boho trend has now become a sophisticated jewelry option that incorporates polished beads, agate slices, and natural gemstones in settings. Due to the popularity, gemstone crafter supply sources offer a wide variety of wires and settings, which make it easy to produce professional-looking results at home. And you can also sell them on Etsy. Number 4, candles. Honestly, is there anything better than a sweetly scented candle? They're everywhere in our lives, whether we realize it or not, so use some of that available market to turn a profit for yourself. Oh, and by the way, I put a lot of time, work, and research into my videos, and if you appreciate them and want to see more, then all I ask is for a like and subscribe. If this channel keeps growing, then I'll keep producing. Number 5, gift baskets. Let's face it, gift baskets will never die. That doesn't mean that we all have to make do with the standard sausage and cheese offerings though. Custom gift baskets are remarkably high-end and a thoughtful gift, so don't skip by this option. An added bonus is that you're likely to have less competition in the market. Number 6, personalized gifts. This can be anything from a date stamp on an item of jewelry to a special screen-printed t-shirt or a door hanger. We just love to make our spaces our own with little personalized touches, so definitely take personalized gifts into consideration. You're likely to get more advanced orders than day-to-day sales, but in the end, it will all work out. Number 7, t-shirts. Gone are the days of airbrush t-shirts. From artful cutting, inventive dyeing, and at-home silk screening, you can make fantastic, unique, personalized t-shirts for any occasion. T-shirts are a pretty difficult thing to pass up, so it's worth your time to look into this craft idea. Number 8, homemade dog treats. We love our furry best friends, and sometimes commercial treats can be a little scary. Help owners ensure their beloved canine friends stay in great health with tasty, good for them treats, and you'll have a client base as loyal as the pet. It's for this reason that dog treats are rapidly becoming one of the favorite crafts to make and sell from home. Number 9, baked goods. This is one option where you can get inventive and creative. Chocolates, cakes, and cookies are always in demand, and when you make your own, you can offer in public a higher quality product product than a mass-produced treat. Consider catering to special needs such as diabetics, gluten-free, or vegan to amp up your client base. Number 10. Natural cosmetics. We all want to look our best, but the news regarding all the chemical and additives in cosmetics is a little scary. Whip up some of your own and counter the market with a healthier alternative. This idea does take a little more time and effort with recipes and containers for all your beautifying products, but if you manage to deliver the goods that benefit and help people feel pretty, you could have a whole new venture. Number 11. Magnets or pins. They're everywhere. Teenagers love to put pins on their clothes and backpacks, and adults need pins to commemorate events. Magnets are a way to add a quick bit of sketch to a kitchen as well as needed to hold reminders of important events. Design a few stellar examples and start selling your unique take. Number 12. Digital printables. Wait, what? How can you make money selling something that's not a physical thing? Depending on your skills, it's entirely possible. If you love graphic design and you have some basic Photoshop skills, you can create digital printables, budget templates, wedding invitations, or organizers. And it's a growing market, and some people make hundreds of thousands of dollars selling digital products. Please check out my video tutorials on what type of printables you can create, where to get resources, where to sell them, and all that stuff, and I will leave the link in the description. Number 13. Arts and prints. Are you a shutterbug? Do you spend your free time doodling and painting? You already have a product. Not only can you sell directly to your clients' art fairs, but you can also sell images as stock photos, greeting card art, and more. Sewn items. Some sewn items can take a long time to complete, but some are pretty simple yet bring a hefty price tag to the creator. Examples are curtains, tablecloths, and more. Don't ignore the entire market of soft items for children such as crayon aprons, soft books, and more. It's the perfect way to mix creativity with revenue. Number 15. Picture frames. These days, the frame is as important as the picture. Craft exceptional frames and you'll have clients knocking down your doors for the perfect accent to their much-loved artworks and portraits. Number 16. Photos. Whether it's stock photography or portraits, all you need to get started is a good camera and a better photo editing software program. Start taking test shots and learning what you can about the technical aspects of good photography, and you might just find a new business. Number 17. Coasters. We all need them, and none of us want ours to be boring. So help someone spruce up their furniture protection. There's also a niche market for personalized coasters for weddings and baby showers that double as a gift to attendees. It's more than just a protective layer to support your morning cup or juice preferred beverages. These drink coasters offer a personalized accent piece to your home. Number 18. Soap. We all need to get clean, but when we have the choice of a decadent, homemade, and outright gorgeous way in which to do it, bath time is just so much more fun. Because it's such a popular thing to sell from home, there's a definite market, though you might have to work a little bit more to get your products noticed. And there are loads of soap making tutorials available on the internet. Number 19. Tote bags. When you sell a product your clients can feel good about using, you're on the track for success. Tote bags are just one of those, considering they can save hundreds of plastic bags from entering our environment in any given year. An added bonus is a plethora of blank bags available for reasonable prices, just waiting for your design to be stamped on. Making and selling a functional product from home can be rewarding. And last, 20. Ceramics. This one isn't so quick, but the appeal of quality ceramics is undeniable. With technological advancements, it's even possible to get into ceramics without outfitting an entire workshop, so it might just be the right thing for you. As far as crafts to make and sell goes, ceramics has stood the test of time in the market. If you're interested on this one and you don't know how to start, well, there are lots of tutorials on YouTube. Remember, if you want to make money, you need to put in the work. No one gives money away for free, so whether you want to start your own side gig or small business, find out what you enjoy and pick your favorite idea to make more money in your spare time. Have you tried other creative ways to make money? I would love to hear from you, so please comment below. I hope you found this useful, and if you appreciate that I make videos like this for free, please like, subscribe, and share this video on social media. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and gives me reasons to keep making these videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye-bye!